Dennis with Collectiv, and today I'll be talking about securely embedding your Power BI reports. To securely embed your reports, let's start by navigating to the Power BI service and then opening up your Power BI report. Once you're there, you can navigate to the Share button in the ribbon, and then there are three options. Go to Embed Report, and then here there are three different ways that you can embed your report. The first is SharePoint Online. So let's say you have a SharePoint site, some sort of intranet, or just within Teams, you can use this link here. The second is a website or portal. So this is some sort of company intranet that you've built or some sort of internal application. And then publishing to web, notice there's a public. So when you do this, anybody navigating through the web, navigates to your website, will be able to access this link, access this report. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to securely embed your report so people on the outside of your organization cannot access it. So if you select website or portal, you have two different options. You can get the link, so this is just the link to the report. You can embed it in your application, or you can share it in an email. That's the most common way I've seen it done. The second way, let's say you wanted to paste it and see that report within your company intranet or on your company public website, you can go use this iframe. So if we were to copy this link and then open up an incognito tab and paste it in, notice it's going to prompt me to log in. I need to use my organizational credentials in order to see this report. So this is what they mean by securely embedding your report. So whoever needs to view this report has to have a username and password within your organization. And the same way with the iframe. So if you were to embed your iframe in one of your internal applications, every time they went and viewed that, if you're using authentication, then they wouldn't have to log in every time. However, if you don't, then it will prompt you to sign in to view that report. So it's really simple. It's a very easy way and a very secure way to view your reports. Thanks for watching. Follow Go Collectiv on LinkedIn and click that subscribe button for more content.